Tutorial Video 1. Getting started with HD1500. Hello, thank you for choosing OMRON's HD1500 mobile robot to support your material transportation needs. With a payload of 1,500 kilograms, the HD1500 is the strongest and newest addition to OMRON's HD series of mobile robots. We have prepared a series of videos to help you get started. We will first show you how to remove the robot and charging equipment from the crates. Then we will go over the initial setup after unboxing the robot. For important safety information, please refer to the Mobile Robot HD1500 Safety Guide. Unboxing preparation. The HD1500 and its accessories will come in 4 wooden crates. The largest crate contains the HD1500 robot itself. The next largest crate contains the charging station. The third crate contains the charging target. And the fourth crate contains the battery, shipped separately to comply with shipping regulations. These 4 shipping crates are designed to prevent damage from shock and vibration in transit. Use a rated forklift, pallet jack, or similar devices to move the shipping crates, and be sure to keep the crates upright at all times. After unboxing each piece, you may want to reassemble the empty crates for storage until they are needed again. First, gather the necessary tools to begin unboxing. These include personal protective equipment including eye protection, toe protection, and gloves. 13mm, 14mm, and 19mm sockets with a driver such as a ratchet, drill, or an impact driver. 14mm wrench, a screwdriver or hammer, and a box cutter. A forklift, gantry lift, or overhead crane rated for at least 1,100 kilograms of weight. We will be using a forklift for this video. And the lifting kit, which includes 4 M16 eye bolts and 4 lifting straps.